Here I have Garett GT40 and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's swipe to the left, let's find and select the battery icon. It's right here, the green one. Tap on battery icon and here you can enable the power saving. Let's just tap on the on option, and right now you are using the power saving mode. You can save some battery, but if you would like to go back to a normal mode, let's tap on power saving again. Tap off, and that's it. Right now we are using the normal mode of your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.